Mark, I promised them batteries this time. What do you... No batteries? We can't afford batteries? What do you mean the bank took it? They can't repossess batteries. Oh, Mark. Hey, Mark! I found some cleaner in my house. We're gonna do that instead. Where is the container? Oh no. I lost the container. Well, this is now the tolerant scavenger hunt. Have we seen the container anywhere? No container. Huh. Oh wait, I think I see it flying to me magically. There it is, I got it. Got the container. Okay, let's get back to the video. Okay. And on episode 6, we're starting our newest edition of the series, where we will be and obviously after it's frozen, once we break it open, we're gonna see if it will return to at least close to its original form when put into water and melted. I'm going to keep this below the thing so you don't see the logo, because they won't sponsor me. Okay, one part this. Okay, and this is an all-purpose cleaner that everyone has in their home. Alright, let's get the water. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, bubbly. Alright. And here comes the second new part to episode 6. We will form a hypothesis about the crush test. Well, we're going to do 3. It's going to be, will it look the same? Will it crush the same as normal ice? And will it return to form when in the water? My prediction for the 3, I don't think it's going to crush the same. I think it's going to be much softer. What was the second one? I'm looking at the cameraman, but he's not responding. Oh wait, no. I don't think it will look the same. It's going to mix with the water. Well, actually, then yes, it will look the same. It's not going to change visually. I think it's going to crush about like the disinfectant spray, and I think it's going to go into the same form when it goes in the water. What do you think, cameraman?
I'm going to say similar things, but I think it might look a bit different.
Okay, cameraman says the same for 2 and 3, but he's going to think the visuals change. Alright, let's go put it in the ice then. Oh, hello there.
Oh, hello there!
Then are you putting it in the ice? I forgot what I already put in this container.
The cleaner.
Ah, yes, the cleaner. We're going to be putting the all-purpose cleaner right next to the birthday cake. Alright. Which episode is this?
It's a number.
This is episode 6. It's probably this. Alright, I'll see you in the workshop. Sorry for my earlier hiccup. It is episode 6. I've been told by my producer, who then took the hammer. So we just have the knife. I made this, so I'm pretty sure they can't take it. I'll have to look into some of my legal reasons. The table's still gone. No, we still don't have that. But we have this spick and span that made green ice. What do you think's gonna happen? Oh, wait, we already recorded that. We have our hypothesis from earlier. He doesn't. Cameraman doesn't remember. You don't know if cameraman is a man or a woman. Well, what they identify as, you know? Oh, I could lose this in this. I was about to do that as a joke, and I would have just lost it. Can you see that? It actually fits perfectly. Interesting fact, actually. We'll just throw out a factoid. This tip knife thing that I have, that I forged, it actually is made from the exact same thing for the fire poker for the forge. It's made out of that pry bar. This is a different one, obviously. But that's exactly, you can make a knife out of anything. There's a YouTube channel that makes knives out of almost anything. My editor will put his channel right here. Right here. He is great. I've watched his obsidian videos. I've watched his glass videos. I think he made one out of like aluminum foil, out of rocks. He's insane. And he's a far better knife smith than me. So let's cut this thing open and try not to damage it. As you know, actually, no, that watered down video hasn't come out just yet. We've recorded watered down. Oh no, it'll come out before this video. But just for the people who only tune in for my Fire and Ice series, we didn't make enough money, so the producer took the desk and my shoes. I have these old flip-flops that I stole from a homeless man. Don't worry, he was dead. Let's crack it open! It is green, in case you can't see. Can you see now? Can you see now?
Kind of.
Okay, it's green. Take my word for it. What kind of award-winning million subscriber channel would I be if I lied to my subscribers?
All of them.
What do you mean? That one guy, that Swedish guy, he doesn't lie. What's his name? Jackaplier? Something like that? Oh, this is gonna be a pain to get out.
If only you had the hammer.
Oh, they took the hammer. Secondly, this already confirms one of our hypothesi. This ice is strong as can be. So I don't think we have a case of a compromised ice in the slightest. We might have actually have increased ice. This is stronger ice. So add your all-purpose cleaner to ice, and you will have stronger ice. I don't know how that's even possible. Yeah, can you see how green it is?
Nope.
No? Why? What does it look like?
White. You made it worse. It's still white.
Ugh. Can you tell it's green? What does it look like, cameraman? Why? It's green! I swear it!
Well, you can kind of
Look, yeah, you can see it.
Well,
Like that. Nope. You see that, guys? It's green. I'm not crazy. I swear. Let's test the ice real quick. I'll take a photo of it and insert it in. It's green. Yeah, this ice is insanely strong.
the bigger pick.
Guys, we got the new hammer! We went right out to the nearest junkyard and we took this. Look at that, it works just as well! Crazy! Mark, please give me back all my stuff. Tell the bank I'm sorry. Please, Mark. Let's get back to the video! Crushing ice is fun! Mark, they took the mattress. They took the mattress. I don't even have the mattress up there. Ice! Ice fun! Well, that's the end of episode 6. As you all know, we strive to provide content here from the Tolerant crew. And we can't do that without your viewership. So make sure you like and subscribe. There's a, what's it called? There's a title card earlier that said that. But always make sure to like every video that you like and dislike every one you don't like. And then stop disliking when you dislike most of my videos. Alright. Alright, this has been Tolerant. And as always, make sure you stay safe.